Have you ever wondered about the cost and transit time for shipping from China to Pakistan? Well, you're not alone. This topic is a hot-button issue for many, particularly those in the import business. In this video, we delve into the ins and outs of shipping from China to Pakistan, covering everything from costs and transit times to customs duties. Let's start with the basics. When shipping goods from China to Pakistan, there are two main options: air freight and sea freight. Ocean freight rates can vary greatly, but as a ballpark figure, a 20-foot container, or FCL, can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500, while a 40-foot container can set you back between $2,500 to $5,000. For smaller shipments, LCL rates can be as low as $100 to $200 per cubic meter. Air freight, on the other hand, can range from $4 to $7 per kilogram, depending on the weight of your goods. Remember, these prices are just estimates, and actual prices may vary. For an accurate quote, our Sino shipping agents are always ready to assist, providing rates within 48 hours. Now, let's talk about transit times. For air freight, the journey from major Chinese airports such as Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangzhou to Pakistan typically takes 5 to 7 days. For sea freight, transit times from major Chinese ports to Pakistani ports like Karachi and Gwadar can range from 20 to 40 days. The most economical way to ship goods from China to Pakistan will largely depend on factors such as the size and weight of your shipment, the urgency of your delivery, and the value of your goods. For larger shipments, sea freight is typically the most economical option. However, if speed is of the essence, air freight may be a better option. And yes, you will need to pay customs duties on goods shipped from China to Pakistan. The amount of duty will depend on several factors such as the value of your goods, the type of goods being shipped, and the country of origin of your goods. It's important to remember that all imported goods must be declared to Pakistani customs, and any applicable duties and taxes must be paid before the goods are released from customs. In conclusion, shipping from China to Pakistan involves several key factors: the method of shipping, the cost, transit time, and customs duties. It's a complex process, but with the right knowledge and support, it can be made a whole lot easier. Our team of experienced shipping agents are here to provide you with the support you need to get your shipment to its destination safely and efficiently. We offer flexible shipping options, including air and sea freight, and our insurance and tracking services ensure that your shipment is protected during transit and that you can monitor its progress from start to finish. We are always here to answer any questions you may have and provide you with the support you need to get your shipment to its destination. Thank you for joining us in this video, and we look forward to assisting you with your next shipment from China to Pakistan.